In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a nail without leaving a mark. So we've got our test piece of wood here. This could easily be a piece of architrave around a door frame. We've got our nail. So we're just going to knock that in. As you can see, our nail's punched in there, flush with the surface, and this is always difficult to remove. So we're actually going to use a technique that many people don't consider. Whenever they try and remove a nail, they always try and extract it from the top and pull it out. Whereas what a lot of people underestimate is using a punch instead. So this is a set of punches that I've got, and this is a traditional punch that I had in my toolbox. The problem with these is, as you try and punch the nail through, it gets wider as you move along, so it can often widen the hole. We already know that we've created a hole with this size head damage to the piece of wood anyway, but if we were to knock that through, we're not going to create any further damage to our piece of wood. So this is a great little set because it comes with a variety of different punches, and these specific ones are perfect because they're long enough to knock the pin through without widening the hole. So we select a punch that's just slightly smaller than the head of our nail, and then we want to tap it through, but we don't want to knock it through all the way, or we'll struggle to get the nail out of the piece of wood behind. We just want to knock it through and just leave a bit of the head showing. So sometimes I like to mark on the punch just how deep I'm going to go. Set my punch there. These have a solid metal top, so you can hit them with a normal claw hammer. I'll just move that up so you can see. So just a few taps on the hammer. We're not trying to go all the way through, but most of the way through. Knocked our punch in, and then we can simply, if it is a piece of trim you can get hold of, you can prise it up. Or what I often like to use is a putty knife, because it has a pointed edge to help you get that first knife under, and then I use a flat knife or a rigid knife or paint scraper to get under as close to fixing as I can, and then just lever off with those two. And now you can see the nail head is still sticking out of our piece of wood. We've caused hardly any damage to the wood on the face side. All the damage is to the back, so it's not normally a problem. And then, because we didn't punch the nail all the way in, we can simply get a claw hammer on there as usual. If we are trying to protect this piece of wood, we can use a little packer, lever off that, and extract our nail. So if you've learned something from this video, please drop us a like. And if you've got your own tips, share them in the comments section to help other people. And if you want to be updated with more of our quick, simple DIY tricks and tips videos, then feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.